Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make part of an image fade in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open your Photoshop, then open this image, double click and unlock this image. Create a mask, layer mask, and click this gradient tool. Use gradient, use your gradient palette presets. I use transparent and use then click and drag on. See this result and use only part of an select this part. You can select here. Press Ctrl D and create a new layer. Use color white. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.